Ron's the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from Kiki. It's called Kiki Noodles mixed with crispy garlic and seafood sauce, and it comes with an accompanying soup. So here we go. Yeah. This is going to be interesting because I don't know freaking which one is the soup. Is it, this is a base, this is a liquid, and there's these two, and one of these, I believe, this feels crisp. So I think this feels crisp. They both say FO1, but one of them is going to, it really is hard to tell. Let me look at this really quick because I'm wanting to get this right. Cook, drain, add that in, and then add that. But it doesn't really. It doesn't say which one it's a. Pour the dried vegetable. That's what it's wanting. Anyways, here's our noodle block. This is beautiful. Beautiful Taiwanese dry noodle. We're going to drop that in, and I believe this goes for 5 minutes. I'm going to make sure that I am correct-ish. So let's let you have a glimpse. Look at that. Tree is still up, folks. Granted, it's the 28th of December. My God. Five to 6 minutes. All right. Personal preference. All right. Now I just want to know which is the right one to put in here. Or the dried vegetable. Because they both look about identical. They're both labeled F01. I'm gonna go with it's this one. This one feels more like crispy garlic. So we'll see. I don't know. I'm gonna tear into this first silver sachet. Would this make a soup? Oh, I don't know. Makes us something. What about this one? This one's got to be crispy garlic. Okay. That's crispy garlic. Okay. Okay, we're getting there, folks. We are really, truly on the way to salvation here with this. So, yeah. Oh, what else has been going on? Had our wedding anniversary, not our wedding, our meeting anniversary on the 22nd. That was great. A lot of kissy, kissy, huggy, huggy. That was good. We did Christmas. And just been busy. Just been really busy. It's been nice though too because she had Monday off, and then next week she'll have Monday off. It's Thursday, so we're 1 day away from having another 3-day weekend together, and so that'll be nice. Nice. I guess I should make the soup, huh? Let's see. Actually, let's see how hot this water. That's hot enough. Hey, simmer down out there. I hear banging. Okay. No banging stuff. So this one's the crispy garlic. Simmer down, please. I'm working. Okay. We'll see if that actually works to make a soup that goes along with this. I'm hopeful. Let's give it a try. Well, you got me. That ain't no soup. But that ain't no garlic. Or I don't know. I'll just have to find something to put some of it in for photography. But definitely not what we're looking for. I should talk to the Kiki people. I haven't talked to them in a while. It's been like years. They're super nice. Super nice. I think my brother is getting cranky. It's like wanting to yammer. Okay, that's about as good as I can get with that. Okay. So noodles are done. Brothish is done. So we turn that off. We take a segue. Simmer down out there. Simmer down. I hear noise. No, I mean it. And getting our noodle. Miles has been out of control lately. And it's been a little much. A little much. One moment. Miles, no. Let's have a seat. Sit down, please. A big mess. No, okay. All right, thank you. Let's call it nipping it in the bud. Nah, he's just having fun. He just gets kind of wound up. Which in turn gets his sister wound up. Which in turn gets the dog wound up. And that's, I don't have enough watches to wind. Oh, that smells good. Okay. That smells quite good. And we're going to dump in the crispy garlic. I hope that's what this is. I don't know what the heck else it could be. No, I think they're attacking. I got one more review to do. Come on. They got tablets, they got cartoons. What more could they want? What do they want from me? Alright, now. Crispy garlic, mixed noodle seafood flavor. Right? Well, I am ready to give this a shot. So here. We go. Cheers. Yep. I'm definitely getting a seafood flavor off of that. And adding noodle. And what else do we have to add into this? Since it's a seafood one, I'm adding some pork. I know. Can't go wrong with the pork. I redid the kitchen too recently. So at least this area for my cooking needs. So I'm pretty jazzed on that. Everything is a little more easily gotten to. Since it's seafood as well, I'm doing some fish ball. And some spring onion. And some sesame seed. And some... Wow, I need to get more crushed red pepper already? Wow, that was quick. Crushed red pepper. And, yeah, cool. Thanks, big thanks to James from Lakeside, California for shooting this over. And, yeah, let's watch it go. Watch it go. There it goes. All right, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this Ace Cook, what does it say here? Onetsukuri Karaage Highball Garlic Gaburu Chicken. So it's, I guess it's a collaboration with Ace Cook and a fried chicken joint that's popular in Japan. So that'll be on the next episode. Comes out of a Zen Pop box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code, yada yada yada. And yeah, that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out. Have a good one, and bye-bye.